Okay, so here basically is a step how to replace the fan cable resistor. So in case like you found that your ceiling fan is slower, so what you can do basically is you try to see either the capacitor is the capacity there, the reading there is lower than the expected value. So what you can see over here, it have few capacitor over here. So the first one you can see from the top screen is 2.4 microfarad, the second one is 5 microfarad, third one is 1.8, and you can see the small one in the black color one is 1 microfarad. So what you need to do here first, you make sure that you measure all these resistance, all this capacitance, yeah, in case like the value is lower than might be 50% your, yeah, so I recommend you to replace the capacitor there. Okay. Okay, yeah, so once you know that, you can see them from the body marking, basically it have the capacitance value. So what you need to do here now, you need to measure the exact value on what the value shown on your resistance. Yeah, you can see that I write on my paper, actually it's the on board, basically it's 2.4, 5, 1.8 and 1. So I try to measure the first one. 2.4 is the value I reading from the multimeter is 2.1. okay. And then the second one is this one I measured for 5 microfarad. So the reading over here is yeah, let's wait, yeah, so it's about 4.5. So ideally to measure the capacitance, maybe is supposed to remove from this spot, but so I just take this one because from here actually I found the reading is about the same, yeah. So okay, actually this ceiling fan is quite old, yeah, so I'm already using these ceiling fans is about 7 to 6 years already, yeah. So the fan is already slower, yeah. So the highest speed, which is number 3, so I can see that it is quite slow. Okay, so you can see that the 1.8 value here, when I measure on board, the value is about 0.7, yeah. Okay, so you need to make sure that you have all the component, yeah, because we don't know that which component is exactly got issue over here. So from here you can see that the 1.8 microfarad is quite lower. When I measure the onboard is about 0.7, so this is the one I need to replace, yeah. Okay, so from here I basically bought this one, yeah. So the maybe the vendor basically the reading is might be different, yeah, because they have certain quality over here. So you can see that when I measured this 1.8 microfarad, so I can get the value reading over here is about 1.4, yeah. So this is the value I can get for this capacitor types, okay, yeah. So it have certain quality, so if you choose if you can get the original one, you can get exactly the right amount over here. So this is the best I can get from this component, about 1.4. so what I need to do next, basically I need to change this capacitor to this new one. Okay, yeah, now basically I try to read for another one, yeah, it's a 5 microfarad over here. So you can see that the reading is about 4.3. yeah. Okay, next is for 2.4. I can get the value over here is about 1.9. yeah. Okay, so for 1 microfarad there I don't have the component there, so I just need to change the 1.8 microfarad to the new one, which is the value is 1.4. so exactly is the value is quite good compared to the previous one. Okay, next what you need to do here is you need to remove the component on board. Yeah, so just use a soldering iron. Yeah, that's it. Okay, make sure you solder it back, the new component over here. Yeah, this step basically I already removed, and I solder the new capacitor over there. Panas. Dina, abang nak buat kerja macam mana? Tu elok-elok. Okay, so here is the result. You can see this is basically is before. Okay, before I change, and this is the one after I change the capacitor. You can see the speed is quite the swing speed is quite fast compared to the previous one. Yeah, so this is the comparison. You can see on the left one is before change the capacitor, on the right side is after I change the capacitor. Yeah, so we can see it's quite different speed over here. So both of it basically is the highest speed, which is speed number 3 on my fan. Yeah, so this is KDK type ceiling fan. Okay, so make sure that you know that which capacitor you need to remove before you replace it. Okay, thank you, bye bye.